Hi everybody, I'm back to talk to you about another Pineapple PD day at Meadowvale. As you probably remember, Pineapple PD is a day where people open up their classrooms and invite people in to see what they're doing with technology in your classroom and watch how it works with the kids and see what's going on all around the school. There'll be a sub provided so you can check out your colleagues working and um, hopefully learn some new things. So there are a couple new things to tell you about with this round. First of all, the PD days will take place over 2 days instead of just one. We will have one sub each day so that you are able to see hopefully some different things and possibly get into multiple classrooms depending on how things work out. And there's one other thing that's kind of cool. When you open up the link for the PD sign up, there is a tab at the bottom called Topics of Interest. So over the next couple of days, you can go on here and add things that you would be interested in seeing in classrooms that you visit. Maybe you want to see a specific tool or something that they're using for blended learning. And if you add that on this document, then it might give people ideas of what they could share or possibly motivate people to sign up. If you see something on this list that you know you're already doing, you might be willing to host a few people in your classroom to see how that works for you. As I said, there are 2 different days, May 15th and May 16th, that we will have a sub available in the building. So between May 2nd and May 7th, you can sign up to host in your classroom. So you would just click in a box here and you would say, for instance, I might say, Lundy, and I would put in what I was going to be using for technology during that time, so that people signing up would know what they could see if they came into my classroom at that time. So hopefully these slots get kind of filled in so that everyone has an opportunity to see some things. And over here, is where after people have signed up to host from the 7th to the 10th, you can sign up. If you see something that you'd like to see, you can sign up for the sub in one of these boxes, or if the teacher you want to visit is showing what you'd like to see over your prep, you can just sign up in the no sub needed box, so that we know, so the host teacher knows who to expect in their classroom during that time. Last time we did this, it was pretty fun to see what was going on around the school, and it was pretty painless to host people in your classroom. So hopefully you can come up with some great ideas of things to share, and we can see what everybody's doing.